This protocol has been defined to incorporate remote sites and vertical infrastructure, which may be available even at other cities or countries, into a common NFV ecosystem.
The main advantage of this protocol is its ability to facilitate the development of collaborative experimentation activities, allowing to steadily increase the portfolio of available resources on an NFV ecosystem.
The protocol has already supported multiple experimentation activities in research projects involving photonic and vertical infrastructures of Spain, Europe, and Brazil, and now it's ready to implement upcoming trials.
To generate a VPN credential that will allow the new infrastructure to establish a secure connection with the VPN server, after obtaining an appropriate IP address range to integrate the site into the NFV ecosystem, execute the following command in the VPN server and select the Add a New Client option from the prompted list. Introduce the name to be associated with that credential in order to generate a file with the VPN credentials. Use the command as indicated to encrypt the VPN credential with the aim of providing this VPN credential file to the technical staff of the external site through a secure and reliable channel. Set the encryption key and set the name for the encrypted file, including the VPN credential. Set up the environment at the new site so as to establish the connection with the NFV ecosystem and to allow the remote NFV